What's up, YouTube? Thanks for watching Practical Survival. I really do appreciate it. Today I've got something very special. It's usually not available to civilians. It's usually only available to the U.S. military. And that is the U.S. military combat utility knife, or demo knife as it's getting the name for it. The old demo knife has been retired. This is what replaced it, and we're going to go through it today. This item does have an NSN, a national stock number, and that NSN is 10-01-653-1166. Now, this demo knife is made by Victorinox. It essentially is the Swiss soldier's knife, but it's got a couple of differences. First off, they stamped US into the blade, or into the handle. And second, all the metal on this knife has been anodized black. So we're going to move the camera around and we're going to go through this knife, pick it apart, and I think you're going to like it. And I'll also tell you where you can find it. So stick with us. Okay, so this is a new U.S. military demo knife. You can see U.S. in the handle there, and it's inlaid, it's smooth. You've got some kind of rubbery, tacky spots up here at the top, down here at the bottom, and that's on both sides here. Now, this knife does not come with the toothpick and tweezers like most Victorinox Swiss Army knives. This knife does not have that. But it's still a great knife. I love this knife. You have a one-hand lockable, one-hand opening, locking main blade that is serrated in the front, and then plain edge back here in the back. So the front 2/3 of this knife are serrated and the back is plain edge. Now this is a chisel grind. The whole knife, even this plain edge, is all chisel grind. Makes it very easy to sharpen. Kind of a modified sheep's foot design on the blade. And that black anodize is just pretty. Good look. Good looking. You've got your unlock piece here. Says press on it. Press that to the side. It is a left-handed liner lock, meaning most knives you press to the left and it will unlock and you can fold the blade up. This knife you have to press to the right. So it is actually made for left-handers. So us right-handers are a little bit out of luck. It's actually not that bad to close one-handed. You just use your leg. So you press to the side and use your leg, kind of press a little bit, and it'll close up. Get your fingers out of the way. You also have a locking screwdriver. So it has a half stop here at the 90 degrees, and it's your screwdriver, bottle opener, and wire stripper down there. So it has a 90-degree half stop, but when you pull it to the 180, it locks in place. And that actually makes a pretty good little pry tool. And of course you don't have to worry about the screwdriver folding up on you if you're using it. It is the same left-handed lock, with this line lock being right here. Press it in there and it will close up. We have a can opener here with a small 3mm screwdriver at the tip of it, and Victorinox makes the best can openers on their multi-tools. There's not another multi-tool that can compete with Victorinox's can opener. They're simply the best. Another thing that they do the best, better than any other multi-tool, is their saws, and this knife has a saw in it. See, it's protruding right there just a little bit, so you get your fingernail underneath it and it opens up. This does not lock, it is slip joint, same as your can opener, but very aggressive teeth on that saw, so it cuts on the pull and the push stroke. Very, very effective saw. It's almost, I think it's about 3.5 inches, I'd say, around 3.5 inches for your saw. Very effective. And then on the back side of the knife, on a T-handle, you have your Phillips head screwdriver on the T-handle, so it's actually kind of handy, so you can really get some torque to either torque your screw in or torque it out. You can get some good leverage there. Not going to get any tight spaces though. And then, if I can get this out, you also have a reamer on this 90. It's not an awl because an awl has a sewing eye, so this is not an awl, but it is a very effective reamer and punch. A little bit of a sharpened edge right there, so you can really get some good scraping done. Excellent for putting holes in belts and leather, but it will also drill holes into wood. And then what they also count as a tool is your little key ring right here for a lanyard. So everything is anodized black. Awesome little knife. Comes in at about 4.5 ounces. I got 2 of these, and on the one that I carry I put a pocket clip. Now I know this pocket clip does not match with all the black of the knife. I'm actually okay with that, because when it's in the pocket all you see is the clip, you don't see the rest of the knife. I'm actually okay with that. And this is a Night Eyes hip clip. Takes about 3 days for the 3M glue inside to set, but once it is set, that thing is on there and it is not coming off. And these are about, I want to say about $8 or $9 a piece, these little hip clips. So this is an EDC knife for me. I now keep it in my pocket at all times, always have it with me. And those serrations are extremely sharp. You can shave with these serrations. I promise you can. Very good knife, and even with this clip on, it's still very comfortable in hand. That clip doesn't hurt ergonomics at all. You can feel it a little bit. You can feel this little gap right here a little bit in your finger, but it's definitely not a hot spot. Feels really good in the hand. I'm really glad I found that clip. So that is it. And where you find these is universalspartan.com. They have it listed as the demo knife, and in quotes they put the knife combat utility with the NSN number, Swiss Army knife Victorinox. This is where you find this knife. They have it listed as a demo knife, and you can see right there, it right now is on sale for $99. Usually $109 a piece. Right now it is on sale, and at the time of this video they have 456 of them in stock. So these knives are not going to last that long on Universal Spartan. They're going to go pretty quick. They don't have that many of them. Now I do know that the regular Swiss Army knife, the Swiss Army soldier knife, is only about $50. And this knife is about twice the price on Universal Spartan. But if you're not in the military and you want the U.S. military's new demo knife, the knife combat utility, the combat utility knife, that's what you're going to have to pay. You're going to have to pay the $100 to get this knife if you're not in the military or don't know someone in the military that will order the knife for you. But it still comes with Victorinox's lifetime warranty on this knife. Just a beautiful knife. So, lifetime warranty, easy to sharpen. You should be able to pass this knife down to your grandkids. And down here on the tang, I don't know if you can see that, but it's stamped 17. So this knife was made in 2017. Here it is stamped Victorinox Swiss made, right here. Excellent knife. I highly recommend it. That is the U.S. military demo knife, or the combat utility knife, whichever way you want to put it. Available at universalspartan.com, listed under the demo knife for $100. So that's all I got, folks. That is my quick review of this knife, and we will see you guys next time. Peace.